Hi everyone, I'm the Senior Tech and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Is your tailgate button not working? You're not alone. This is a common issue in the Ford Fiesta MK7. Luckily, the tailgate can still be opened by pressing the button on the key fob twice. But if you want a permanent fix, replacing the switch is the way to go. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick and effective diagnostic process using just your smartphone and the FORScan app. No guesswork, just smart troubleshooting. Once we establish communication with the car, we'll navigate to the live data section of the BCM module and select the tailgate switch parameter. This allows us to see whether the module is receiving a ground signal when the switch is pressed, and more importantly, whether it's triggering the latch to open. To further narrow things down, I used a simple jumper wire to simulate the switch input. This lets me quickly rule out any wiring faults and focus on the switch itself. With just a few easy steps, I was able to confirm the switch failure and make an accurate diagnosis. And as you'll see, after installing the new button, the tailgate on our Fiesta is back to perfect working order. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, give it a like and consider subscribing for more straightforward real-world car fixes. Got questions or ran into something different during your own repair? Drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.